All right, so this is a 2003 Infinity FX35. We got a Misfire cylinder 2. We had a loose coil some time back, and I went ahead and tightened the coil. Misfire dissipated, went away, and now it's returned. I suspect that that the coil failed prematurely because of the excessive resistance. So we're gonna go ahead and swap that coil back to 2. We're gonna pull plug. Plug looks pretty good. But we're gonna still go ahead and pull that plug. We got a little oil on the inside of that plug. It smells like fuel, but we could have a little bit of a valve seal leak. We're gonna put that back here on 4, I believe, just to make sure that it's not. We want to rule out that plug.